Blood is a fluid connective tissue that carries substances around the body. Do you know there are about 6.5 liters of blood in a human circulatory system of an average adult? If you take a blood in a test tube and centrifuge it, then you will be able to separate its component. It consists of two main components, solid component called blood corpuscle and liquid component called plasma. Solid component or blood corpuscle. It constitutes 45% of the blood. There are three types of blood corpuscles or blood cells: RBC, WBC and platelet. These cellular parts, cells and platelet, are suspended and are freely floating in the plasma. RBC or red blood cells are also called erythrocytes. As the name suggests, these are red in color. These are red in color due to the presence of pigment called hemoglobin. RBC have biconcave shape. These are spherical or disc in shape. They do not contain nuclei. RBC carries oxygen and carbon dioxide gas. RBC lack nucleus but are packed with a respiratory pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin are red in color and are made up of iron and protein. Function of hemoglobin is to bind with oxygen and transport it to the tissue where it is needed. Lifespan of RBC is about 115 to 120 days, and new RBCs are formed at the same rate in the bone marrow. White blood cells. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. This is composed of 1% of total volume. WBC have nucleus but are colorless because they do not contain any pigment. Various types of WBC are found in the human blood. Each has different pattern of nucleus. WBCs are called soldiers of our body since these help in fighting diseases and attack the foreign bodies or germs that enters the body. Neutrophils act as soldiers guarding the cell. Platelets. Platelets are minute, round, oval structures. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. Platelets are tiny fragments of special cells formed in the bone marrow. These do not have nuclei. These help in blood clotting, thereby prevent blood loss during injuries. Plasma. Plasma is the pale yellow color fluid that constitutes 55% of blood. It contains dissolved protein, minerals, iron, glucose, hormone, carbon dioxide, including blood cells. Around 90% of the plasma is made up of water and around 6 to 8% is made up of protein and other molecules. Plasma carries these dissolved substances from one part of the body to the other part. Thank you.